In today's video, I did a very glowy, radiant foundation routine. I used a lot of my favorite products to achieve my glowiness. So if you want to see I get it, then just keep on watching. Before I even apply my makeup, I like to moisturize my skin really well because I do have really dry skin. My favorite moisturizer is the Clinique Moisture Surge. And I've already applied this like an hour ago. But sometimes if my skin is like really dry, I'll really apply it before I do my makeup and let it sink in a little bit, and then I'll be good to go. And as a primer, I will usually spray my badescu primer spray. I feel like it really hydrates my skin and it just feels nice. And if my skin isn't too dry and doesn't need too much hydration, but I want like a nice glow, I will go in with this Becca backlight priming filter. It's just like a really nice glowy primer. And it just gives your skin like a really nice glow. For foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless, of course. This one does say it's matte and poreless, but I find that's like a more like a natural finish. It's not too matte or anything, and it's not too glowy either. And then to make it a little bit more glowy, I like to add in a hydrating primer or a liquid highlight to the mixture. And for today, I'm going to use the Temptu X boxycharm Liquid Glow. I got this in boxycharm. And then to blend it out, I always use a damp beauty blender. It's my favorite way to apply foundations. I think that it helps make it look a lot more natural and sink into the skin a lot better. Brushes tend to make my skin a lot more dry looking. And it kind of just like stirs up, if I have any dry flakes, it'll kind of just stir it up and make it look a lot more noticeable. So I prefer a beauty blender. This was the pink one, the really like light baby pink one, but it ain't pink no more. For concealer, I'm going to use like a regular concealer that I always like and use. This is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5. And I just stick this on places I want to brighten and cover up a little bit more. And then I also blend out the same beauty blender, which is damp, by the way. I don't know if I said that. And then to set my face in place, I like the RCMA No Color Powder. I really like this powder because it doesn't accentuate my dryness too much. I feel like it's really a nice powder for dry skin, and it's very affordable too. I'm going to still use the same beauty blender because I find that it really helps sink into the skin and not make your skin look so dry. And I'm only going to set my concealer so that the rest of my face doesn't look too matte and dry. Just my concealer does to prevent it from creasing. Now that my foundation, powder, and concealer is all on, I'm going to bronze my face, and I'm going to use this Hourglass Luminous Bronze Light Bronzer. This bronzer has some like specks of shimmer in it, but it doesn't look too like glittery on your face. It just gives like a nice glow. So I love this bronzer. I always apply some to like the tip of my nose because I feel like it needs some kind of color, and I don't ever like contour my nose. I don't contour in general, like ever. I just don't like the way it looks on me. I feel like it makes me look too skinny, and I don't want to look too skinny mini. And then for blush, I've been using this Bang Beauty blush in the shade Smoked Peach. It's just like a really nice peach kind of color. It does have like a sheen to it, but it's not like super intense and looks like really glowy. So recently I've been layering something else over top of it, and I think it looks really pretty. This is the e.l.f. Apricot Glow highlight. It's a bit too dark for me to highlight with right now, so I've been using it as a blush topper. And it gives like a really nice peachy glow to my cheeks. I kind of just dust this everywhere. And then to really intensely highlight my face, I'm going to use this Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. And then I'm just going to use this color right here called Butterscotch. I'm using a Morphe Y14, my favorite highlighting brush. I'm also going to mix in a little bit of this one to lighten it up. I also like to get my inner corner. And then if it looks too intense, I will always pat my beauty blender over and it'll help tone it down a lot. And then really quickly I'm going to apply a gloss. This is the e.l.f. Champagne Glam Gloss. And then I'm going to spray my face with this Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. You can also use this spray again. I think this one really helps your makeup sink into your skin and makes it look more like your skin. So that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please don't forget to subscribe and like it if you have not already. And if you would like to see a full list of products that I mentioned, you can look in the description box below. Other than that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Dry because it has really nice. For concealer, I'm not gonna change it up. I'm gonna just use a regular. For concealer, I'm gonna use a regular I can't say that. Yeah, it didn't stay very pink. It's okay. And then